but the sun still rise. Melissa come fi test we, but we strong, we wise. Saint Bessa Mobile, we not go compromise. A forward we a step, look up to the sky. Rise again, my people, yeah we rise again. From me mud, from me flood, yeah we rise.
Yes, we have to rise again indeed, because music is at the cornerstone of every single human experience. For everything you've seen, felt, or encountered, I can bet there's a song for it. Jayden Chambers has written a masterpiece and dedicated it to our nation's experience of the recent Hurricane Melissa. And he's here to tell us all about it. Welcome, Jayden. Thank you for joining us.
Give thanks.
How are you doing, Jayden? Thank you so much.
We've been hearing the track, we've been hearing the song Rise Again. It sounds great and it's extremely relatable, but tell us a little bit about who is Jayden Chambers.
Jayden Chambers is a musician, he's an actor. Actually, he ventures in every avenue of the arts. I try my best to keep it real, keep it pure, do everything from the heart when I'm doing my art,
Yeah, definitely.
What did you observe, though? When you're penning the song?
Yeah.
Did you go down to the western part of the country like most persons?
No, actually the song was written the day after the rain stopped falling. So we didn't have any time to go down there.
So you didn't have any context?
Well, the only context I had was I was in contact with my family down there, my sisters down there, so that frustration alone, and producers say, oh, let's do this track, and I'm like, all right, let's do it. But even the day when we were recording it, was really hard because not hearing from your family still, and recording a song about a situation like this.
Because I was going to ask you, I was like, the song is suggesting that you would have seen things falling down.
Yeah,
devastation.
From where I was at my side of the island, we could see it on social media before we could go.
Before you recorded the song.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Jayden, you mentioned the family. Where were they?
In Montego Bay.
In Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So, after, you heard what was going on, and tell me about, just the feeling of everything that was happening in the studio while you recorded it.
It was heavy. It was really heavy. Honestly, I personally didn't want to record it at the time until I heard from them, but we're still doing it for not just us, for the nation. The song is actually a song that we put out for the people, for inspire others, for help, and for rise up and not let this situation hold us back, because even though it affects what some would consider a small part of the island, all of us are affected and will be affected even if we don't realize it as yet.
Definitely agree with that one right there. Tell me now, what's the feedback been like?
The feedback has been great. At first I was just at home and I started seeing it everywhere, and I was like, wait, me that's my tune. So the feedback so far is wonderful, and with the song out, more people reaching out to me to be a part of different projects, to go back down to the west and help out. So in that regards, it has been great.
Yeah, when you look at the kind of help that the entertainment community has provided, though, as an artist, how do you feel about that? I'm
feeling really great about it, know. We come together and we're actually making steps and making strides. Everybody donating different things. We're not just staying in one avenue. Who can provide food, who can provide material stuff. Some other artists coming together. We're trying to get some mental health people down there for assist and all of those stuff. So it's just really great seeing the community come together in this time to help the nation that help us to make us who we are.
Yeah. Have you made a video for the single yet?
No, we just had some stock footage from different videographers that we know and just compile it together.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Jayden, it seems you're not new to this, but how long have you been doing music? How long have you been singing?
I've been doing music all my life, to be honest, From as a child, there's nothing I wanted to do more than music and acting. So just walking in the light now, it has been great.
Definitely. Yeah. Definitely.
Where do you see the track going?
This particular track?
What would your ultimate aim be for its success?
That question, I don't know how to answer that question, because it wasn't a track in which we aimed for some success from, but more to inspire.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And in terms of additional projects, I'm sure this is just the beginning of something great. What's next for you? Are you working on anything else?
Yes, we released an EP last October. Next year we're looking to release an album with a lot of the big names in the space. Apart from that, I have a couple of films that I'm a part of working on now.
Okay.
So should be releasing a lot of stuff next year.
So outside of this very somber vibe that Rise Again gives, it's very encouraging still, you know. What is your style usually in the music?
My style is a Caribbean style, you know, it's a yardman style.
So do you DJ, you sing alone,
yeah,
what
man.
do you do?
We DJ, we sing, we do everything. If we have to go up on stage and we are dance, at them time of party there.
So you dance as well?
Yeah, man.
Gosh.
No, like dancing dynamite type of dancing or like really dancing?
I dancing dynamite. I don't like modern and them thing there, you know?
Okay.
When I was at Edna, we had certain courses that we had to incorporate those stuff in. So if it come to the test and that needed, we're there.
Nice. I like that. I like that for you, sir.
You know, Jayden, you said you've been singing the song. What was the most touching part of that experience for you? Because you said, well, you just seen it blow up right in front of your eyes.
Yeah.
You know, do you have any like touching moments?
So far from the song?
Yeah.
More the comments. It's more the comments when I was at RJR, the comments that came in on the radio and how it impacted people and not knowing me before the song and how the song forced them to want to know me. That has been beautiful. That has been completely beautiful in how the song is being received. You know?
Yeah. And the impact that you are creating, you know, and the inspiration too as well, which is very important. Jayden, how can we find you on social media? How can we go check out the song, download it, stream it, support?
Well, you can find me on all social media platforms at Jayden Chambers X. On any social media again at Jayden Chambers X, and also on the streaming platforms is just Jayden.
Nice. Listen, thank you so much for joining us, man. Thank you for creating this song in the right time.
Much respect.
And I wish you all the very best, much success in your own ventures going forward. All right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. That was singer-songwriter Jayden Chambers right there. We'll be right back with you. With more on Weekend Smile. Stay with us.